Mori here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a unboxing and try on video. I'm gonna show you Sezane pieces. If you've noticed, this video doesn't have a season in the caption because I don't know if I should call it fall, pre-fall, pre-pre-fall, back to school. I'm a little confused and I know a lot of you are as well. The promotion for the new season has been so grand, but the releases have been really small and it's confusing. I love planning. Fall is my favorite time of the year. I was looking forward to that lookbook so I can strategize what I want to get, narrow down my color palette, and I haven't been able to do that, which is a little frustrating. And I wasn't even gonna do today's video because I was just like thinking of waiting until the, like the big release. But after sharing these pieces to my Facebook group, many of you had questions, wanted like extra photos, and I figured why not? It's still helpful. There are people shopping right now as well, and here I am making a video today. If you haven't joined me on Facebook, I have a group called Mori Blog. I'm gonna link to it in the description of this video. It's a place where I share pieces as soon as I get them. You can talk to me on day-to-day basis. I'm really responsive. I also share gossip on the new collection drops, restocks, and I share great finds from other brands that I think you're gonna love if you love Sezane. So I hope to see you there. I also have a small kind of like an outfit diary Instagram account called Mori Lookbook. I'm also gonna link it in the description of this video. If you want to join me on there, you're most welcome. I would be really happy to see you. And without any further ado, I want to jump into today's video. If you enjoy watching, give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. It will mean the world to me. Let's get into it. Alright, here I have the Carolyn skirt, and I'm really excited about this skirt. It's my favorite piece so far from the pre-fall back to school collection. I've been trying to get the yellow polka dot version from a summer or two ago from the archives, and I've been unsuccessful. I think it's a great design. It makes your legs look so good, and Sezane has way too many midi skirts, which I love, but I really needed some minis. This one has some like movement, and it has this ruffle at the bottom, which it's really playful and a lot of fun. I love the color. It's kind of like this deep burgundy with some beige and blue flowers on it. I went with size 34, which is my usual size. I don't think you need to size up or size down. I'm really surprised that this skirt is still available in all sizes. Here is a picture of the composition. We have 100% viscose. I know this is a deal breaker for some of you, but I find it really light and playful, and I know I'm gonna wear it a lot now, end of summer, early fall, late fall, with like thick tights, so I decided to keep it. Next up in the same print is the Alex dress, also viscose, also burgundy with ditzy blue and beige flower. It's true to size 34 over here, my usual size. It comes with a belt in the same fabric. It's lined on top and on the skirt area. However, the sleeves are not lined, but because of the texture of the fabric and the density of the print, you can't really see through. This is daylight streaming from my window, and I'm gonna come close here, show you the sleeve, and then it's not lined, but you can see my face behind it. So if transparency, like see-through qualities, are something that really worries you in fall clothing or like transition season clothing, I think here you don't have to worry about anything. The piece is versatile. It's very comfortable. You can dress it up with a pair of really high heels and a blazer or like a light jacket, or you can go casual by throwing on a sweater and using a belt, so you transform it more as like a skirt. Again, available in all sizes. I have no idea why, but it's a great fall addition to anyone's closet. Here I have the Lucas sweater, and I was really excited about this one. I mean, look at this chunky texture. Look at the statement buttons. They are gorgeous. Also, to the touch, this sweater has 0 itch. That's amazing. But the cut is a little bit like this. And the reason that bothers me is my body is a hourglass shape. I have small waist and wide hips. Now when you put a sweater that is this shape, it kind of narrows towards the bottom, what happens is the sweater starts to kind of hike up my torso. And if I don't tuck in the sweater completely, then it doesn't look that great. Now if you're in this situation, you can size up, and I think that might solve the issue, or you can commit to completely only wear the sweater tucked in, which I do anyways, but I kind of want to have the option for like a French tuck. So I've decided to send this one back, and I'm gonna get one size up. I'm gonna report back what happens, but it is a great option because of no itch and the gorgeous texture. And the composition of it is 55% merino wool, 20% cotton, and 25% polyamide. This one was a no-brainer. It's a sweatshirt, it's great for every day. I love the color combination. You have this kind of cream white and the leathers are burgundy. I'm planning on wearing a lot of brown and burgundy this fall, and also I have some accessories in blue, and I think blue and red create really nice contrast. So this will work with so many pieces in my closet. It is a relaxed fit, however it is not frumpy. I think they really nailed down the proportion where we have like something that's more casual and sporty, but it's not looking not put together, if you know what I mean. It is 100% cotton, and currently it's being released in more colors as well, so if you're looking for something really easy, definitely check it out. This here is the Fleur sweater. I love it, and if it looks familiar, it's because I have the exactly same one with white background behind the flowers. Back then it was called the Bru sweater, and I mean it's pretty much the same thing. You just have like white background versus green. It's a beautiful sweater. I've been wearing it a lot, which is why when I saw this color combination I thought maybe I need both of them, and currently I am debating if I should keep both or send this one back and get something that's just a little bit more different. But if you don't have the Bru, I think you should consider getting it. I'm super surprised that it's available in all sizes. I think many of you are debating and waiting for that lookbook and waiting for that big drop, which is why you're not pulling the trigger on a lot of pieces. But this one is worth it. If you don't have the Bru, add it to your closet. It's so fun. The scale of the flowers, the amount of detail that is not too much but it's not too abstract, it really does it for me. I went with size extra small, which is my usual size. I don't recommend sizing up or sizing down. And composition wise, you have 33% polyamide, 32% wool, 32% kid mohair, and 3% elastin. Let me know in the comment section below if you think I should keep both this beauty and the Bru, or if I should send the Fleur back and get something really different from the big drop when it happens. And last I have the Leandro jeans in blue denim. Size is 34, which is my usual size. These jeans have pockets, they're really high-waisted. I love the turquoise buttons, and the material is really soft and very pleasant to the touch. However, there's something in the design that doesn't work for my body type. I have small waist, wide hips, and a little bit of a thigh gap. And when I put them on, I don't know, it's not a wow. I will walk around the house and I'll catch a reflection of my outfit and I'm like, there's something about it that doesn't work. And today when I was scrolling Instagram, I saw a girl, she had a different body type than mine. She was more straight, like her waist and her hips were kind of like a little bit more straight line. And she was taller, so her legs were longer, and these looked fantastic on her. So I think they don't work for me personally, but they have a lot of good qualities that if your body type is different, they're worth trying. And they are also coming in more colors. I saw a teaser that a lighter denim color is coming, and also kind of like a khaki green. So keep it as an option and give it a try if you don't have small waist, wide hips, and a thigh gap, which I think is not like the most popular combination. So you might actually love these. Alright guys, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I would love to see you around more. In the comments section, share your thoughts on the fall, pre-fall, pre-fall back to school collection. Is there anything in particular that you're looking forward to? Did you snag some really good pieces already? Let's have a good chat on what's to come from Sezane. Have a wonderful week and see you next time.